You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
It's a Star Wars mystery box. Okay, this is for Star Wars fans. It's a Star Wars mystery box with a lot. You get 3 packs of Star Wars paper, 3 rolls of Star Wars iron-on, and 2 rolls of premium Star Wars vinyl. You get 2 of each of these sheets. So you get 12 sheets of double-sided. This is cool paper. And you get this pack. And then this pack. Okay, if you're not a Star Wars fan, this one kind of looks like a tooth. I like this one. Can you tell these are the retro ones? Okay, and here's the pattern iron-on. There's 3 rolls of these. Here is one, and I'll show you up on the screen the patterns that come in size. You get 3 sheets of 12 by 17. This is called Hyperspace, and this is the Fight Sampler. You get 3 sheets of 12 by 17. And here's the patterns that come on them. The Dark Side Sampler. You get 3 12 by 17 sheets, and here's the patterns. This is premium removable vinyl. That removable means it stays on until you decide to take it off. You get 6 sheets of 12 by 12. So there's 3 patterns and you get 2 of each. And this is premium removable Rebel Alliance Sampler. And here's the patterns. You get 6 sheets, 12 by 12. There is a link in the description as always, and I do get a small commission when you use that link. And thank you, Cricut, for sending me this mystery box so I can share it with all of my subscribers on my channel. I love you guys. Don't forget to use my code HAPPY, HAPPY, and that will give you 10% off and free shipping if you add a little bit more to your cart to make it $50 in your cart. And that's not really hard to do because everything is 50% off. So go add a few things to your cart, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.